Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com.
Up first this evening, the Police High Command is hitting back at human rights group Jamaicans for Justice over comments about the increase in police fatal shootings so far this year.
Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake says JFJ's concern is misdirected and should be aimed at criminals who challenge a far more superior force. Anthony Lugg has the details.
In a release on Thursday, Executive Director of Jamaicans for Justice Michael Jackson said the increase in police fatal shootings has reached an alarming and intolerable level. The JFJ argued that the number is unacceptable in a democracy and is particularly troubling given the country's size. But on Friday, Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake hit back at the human rights group
to suggest that fatal shooting numbers can be reduced by anything other than the unwillingness of persons being apprehended to engage in deadly confrontation with members of the security forces is irresponsible, or at best, advocating for us to relent in our pursuit. We again reiterate the point that those who seek to kill and maim will not be left free and unobstructed to hold communities at ransom and in constant fear.
As at February 19, there were 50 fatal shootings since the start of 2025, more than double the 19 recorded for the same period last year, representing a 163% increase. The JFJ stopped short of labeling the incidents as extrajudicial killings, pointing to the absence of body-worn camera footage in many of the fatal encounters.
This constant call for there to be more accountability over the JCF is in itself a slap in the face of Indicom. Be reminded that that is their single most important mandate. And let me be absolutely clear, lest I am misunderstood or misquoted. I am a full supporter of what Indicom stands for. An effective Indicom assures me that those among us who believe that they are free to break the law will be held to account and be removed from within our ranks.
Dr. Blake again pointed to data which suggests that thousands are arrested and brought before the courts yearly. He insists, however, challenging the police will not end well for criminals.
When the police come for you, do not raise your weapons against us. Lay down your weapons and have your day in court. But should you choose the foolish option of challenging us with lethal force, know this: I do not train my police to lose. We have the superior training and firepower to ensure that we win every time.
He also issued this appeal to the JFJ.
Yes, we agree. We need to have less fatal shootings. And so I call upon JFJ to demonstrate to the public that your care is more for the well-being of our citizens and less for the relevance of your organization. And it is hard for me to think otherwise when I know JFJ is fully abreast of the facts.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.